Hello, duelists. Today we are with.
Srdjan Mihajlovic.
And what did you do, Srdjan?
I won Croatian nationals with pure Snake Eye.
Can you show us the list?
Sure.
Yeah.
So I played a very standard list. So 3 Snake Eye Ash, double pop. I only owned 2 bonfires, so I only played 2. Then I played 1 for 1, 3 witch, 3 wanted, 1 oak, 1 field spell, 1 OSS, double Flamebridge, and the new Snake Idea Bellstar. That's it for my engine cards. Then for my non-engine, I played triple Crossout, double Talent, 1 Cold by the Grave, and then the rest were defensive cards. So I played 3 Ash, 3 Veiler, 3 Mourner, 2 Nib, and 3 Infirm. So for my hand traps, I decided to play Nib because I expected a lot of Snake Eyes in the top cut, and I wanted to win the tournament. So that's the reason why I main decked Nibiru instead of something like Ghost Ogre. I missed Ghost Ogre once in the whole tournament because my opening play was the Bellstar, and my opponent had Ghost Ogre, and I didn't have a single normal summonable hand trap or a monster to continue playing, so I had to set pass. That's the only time I missed Ghost Ogre, but I think that this hand trap lineup was perfect for this tournament. Okay, so that was the main deck of 40 cards. Then for the extra deck, I played a standard extra deck. You can only really change the 15th card in my opinion. So I played Anima, IP, SP, Phoenix, the Charmers, Hida, Dark, Princess, Celine, Raging Phoenix, Zelantis, Appaloosa, Access Code. Then my end board piece was Titanic Galaxy. It's really good against Branded. It's like the only time where you'll ever actually get to full combo against Branded and against the Runic Stun. So this is like the perfect 10 board piece. And then I played Typhon. And the 15th card was Link Spider. This could have been a bunch of different things. But I decided to play Link Spider because if you open just the Ash and they have Nibiru, you can still put out Little Knight with the field spell and Oak, and you get to banish their Nib. So you have a great follow-up play, and you still have 1 interaction. So you should be able to still win from there.
Yeah, how many times did that happen?
It happened 0 times in the whole tournament. So,
yeah, I guess.
But I didn't miss anything, so the 15th card never mattered.
Yeah.
And then my side deck was 1 Magnamut, 1 Druid Worm, 3 Ghost Bells. So this is like the only like card that people don't usually play. The main reason why I played it was Ostinato, because you can Bell Ostinato. And it gave me better sideboard patterns against the Branded deck and the Runic Stun deck because I needed to take out 8 dead cards from my main deck. So, but it never mattered in the whole tournament. I got to Bell the Fusion Duplication ones, so that's the only time I drew Bell. Then I played triple Droplets for the Voiceless Voice deck. Sometimes you can side it in the mirror match depending on like how they play. And yeah, I only drew it once and it was okay.
Yeah.
Then I played triple Cosmic, Harpies. So these were mainly for the Runic Stun decks, but it was also for Rivalry. And you can side it in a mirror match if you see that they're shotgunning Flamebridge in the draw phase to play around like Change of Heart and Mind Control. So you can Cosmic their IP, and that's usually game winning. And the last card, the MVP of the tournament, was Skill Drain.
Oh yeah, so that.
So this card is very strong in this deck because you can set it off for your Snake Eye cards or the Bellstar at any point. There was like one cool play in the tournament where my opponent had the green 10 pie dragon, and he had 2 sets. I had 2 set skill drains, and I normal summoned Oak. He flipped Impermanence to negate my Oak, and then I flipped skill drain in response so that the Impermanence wouldn't negate my Oak. And then I sent off Oak and skill drain to summon Ash, and I won on that exact turn. So.
Yeah, master duel combos. Yeah, and are you happy overall with your side deck?
I'm happy overall with my whole deck. The only thing that obviously I would change, I would have played the 3rd bonfire if I had it.
Yeah.
But that's about it. It was perfect.
Yeah. Do you have any shout outs or?
Sure. So shout outs to my local store, Tropic Gifts and Games, especially the people who were supportive and who borrowed me cards. And shout out to Chris LeBlanc for helping me out a lot, and shout out to the Fenrir Discord. That's about it.